Brothers and sisters, two small boys were watching a scorpion. One boy said, "A scorpion sting me once." His friend, "Really? How did it hurt?" The other boy thought for a minute. Then he pinched his arm until it hurt, the way he remembered the sting. Next, he turned to his friend and pinched his arm the same amount. Now, his friend said, "That wasn't so bad." The other boy shrugged and said, "Well, I can't feel a sting for you, but that's about how much it hurt me." There are some things we can't do for another. We can't feel a sting for them. We can't view a sunset for them. We can't profess faith in Jesus for them. In the gospel reading, you heard Jesus say to his disciples, "Who do you say I am?" He did not ask them where he lived or where he stayed. He said, "Who do you say that I am?" And Simon Peter says, "You are the Christ, the Lord, the God." How do we answer Jesus' question? Who do you say I am? Why this answer? To seek Jesus is our greatest adventure. To find Him, our greatest human achievement. Today the church celebrates the feast of two mighty pillars, Saints Peter and Paul. And this feast invites us to reflect on two very different men united by one mission: to follow Christ wholeheartedly. Peter, the impulsive fisherman, and Paul, the former persecutor of Christians, reminds us that God does not call the perfect, but He transforms the willing. Their lives show that holiness is not about where we begin, but how we respond to grace. Peter's journey was marked by both bold faith and human weakness. He declared Jesus as the Messiah, the Christ, yet denied Him in fear. Still, he became the rock of the church, upon which the church was built, because he allowed God mercy to restore him. Paul, on the other hand, encountered Jesus in a moment that completely changed his life's direction, from persecutor to preacher. His story is one of radical conversion and unwavering commitment. So together they teach us that discipleship requires courage, humility, and perseverance. Faith is not a straight path free of failure. It is a journey to continue on a journey of continual transformation. Like Peter, we may falter, and like Paul, we may need conversion in unexpected ways. Yet God works through our weaknesses to accomplish His purpose. And so this feast challenges us to ask, how am I? How am I responding to God's call? Am I willing to change, to trust, to love, and to serve God and His people even in it is difficult? So Lord, increase our faith Enlighten our minds towards your holy will, that we may love and serve you faithfully every day.